Using this one AI tool has built me a dropshipping store that in the last 30 days has made over $200,000 in sales. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this AI tool can make you a Shopify dropshipping store that looks just like this, and it's the same design that I'm using in my store right now that's doing over 6 figures every month. And this is the crazy part. That store that I'm showing you was literally made only using AI. The images, the copy, the logo, I mean everything. Now, because I appreciate your time, guys, as soon as this video hits 500 likes, I'm going to be dropping a PDF in the pinned comment and in the description on my full automation model on how I automate most of my dropshipping stores right now using the leading industry tools. So as you guys can see, I'm in my Shopify dashboard, and in the last 30 days, we've achieved $234,000. And if I refresh the screen, you're going to see the numbers are going to stay the same, and you can see the orders fulfilled are all there as well. So you know it's a legitimate store. And this Shopify store is using the same page style that we're using on that store that I just showed you that's done over $200,000 in just the last 30 days. And this store was built using just AI. Everything you can see here, guys, was built using AI. The logo, the images, the page template, everything. Now, all you've got to do to make your own Shopify store like that in under 10 minutes is sign up to EKAI, and it's completely free, as you guys can see on the screen. Enter a username, email address, and password, verify your account, and then you're going to be in the dashboard. Now, once you've done that, guys, you're going to be greeted with this dashboard here. And on the sidebar, you're going to see AI Page Builder. You're going to click that button. And then you're going to see AI Page Builder, Generate Page. And you're going to scroll down to where it says Product URL Input. Now, once you're on this Generate Page, you need to get a URL of the product that you want to recreate using the AI Page Builder. Now, if you want the best results possible, it's better to use a Shopify link that has a great page already. Now, if you know the product that you're selling, just come to Google and type it in. So you guys can see I've typed in red light mask. You can see on the Google Shopping, there's loads of different stores selling this product. Now, I just want to click on one of these stores that already have a good Shopify setup. Now, this store here already has a solid setup. Now, the reason why this is so important is because the AI, to give you the best results possible, will only work the best way if it works off something that's already good. So if you want the best looking Shopify page for your product, you need to give the AI something good to work with. If you give it something bad to work with, it can still make it look magical, and I'll show you that in a minute. But if you want the best and the best results, use a Shopify link like this one that already looks good, because it's going to be referencing this through the AI model. Now, the other option you guys have got is you can use Amazon links. Now, Amazon's another good alternative. So you can see here I'm on Amazon and I've typed in red light mask, so I can use this one. Now, guys, when you're doing this, obviously use the listing or the product page from Shopify that's selling the exact same product you're selling. You don't want to be doing this if it's not your product, because then the AI is going to make a product that isn't yours. Now, as we all know, Shopify stores and Amazon sellers are selling the same products that you get from AliExpress. So just make sure it is the same product. Now, the reason why we do not use AliExpress for this is because AliExpress doesn't give AI models very good information to work with, because they limit what they transfer with data. Now, Amazon and Shopify give the AI as much data as possible, which means the results for you guys will be better. So what I'm saying is, do not use AliExpress, use Amazon or Shopify links that have already good product pages. So now I've pasted in my Amazon link. I'm going to click Generate Page. Now, as soon as you click Generate Page, you're going to now see this icon animation, which shows you how long it's going to take for your page to get made. And you can see it takes between 5 to 6 minutes, and it even gives you a countdown timer on how long each section is taken with the AI, analyzing your product, generating persuasive copy, crafting 6 marketing images and logo. Now, guys, because this does take between 5 to 6 minutes, you do need to leave the page open. If you exit the page, it will not work. So just make sure you leave the page open and wait for the magic to happen. And just like that, guys, the page is now made. You're going to see in the preview tab, your page has been created, and you can see it right here. All of these images are custom made using the AI. So these are all your original images. So you don't need to worry about them being ripped off from other websites. These are all original images. You've got all the copyright in here. You've got all the testimonials about the product. You've got this section here, which is your percentage section, the comparison table. You've got a complete Shopify page that looks absolutely amazing. And if we come over here to the top right section called Actions, you're going to see Export to Shopify. Now, before we export the page to Shopify, we need to quickly go over to integrations. And once you've come over to integrations, you just need to quickly connect your Shopify store to the application. Now, this is super easy to do and it shouldn't take you longer than 2 minutes to do. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see the step-by-step guide on how to add your Shopify store to the page builder. And it is very, very simple, and it even gives you image instructions. Now, all you got to do is add your Shopify store URL, not your domain name, your store URL. And you just need to add 15 API scopes and approve the app. And then you're going to get a generated key that you're going to paste here. Now, once you've done that, you'll see your connected stores and it will show the name of your store and your store URL. And as long as it shows as connected, when you come over to manage pages and you click on view page, which is the page that you've just made, you go to actions, you go to export to Shopify, and you should now see selected store, the name of your store, and the theme that you have. Now, this is where things get really important. For this to work, you need to make sure you're using the Dawn theme only. So before you click import to Shopify, make sure you've got the Dawn theme on your store. Now, the Dawn theme is completely free. It's made by Shopify and it's arguably their best free theme. So make sure you got Dawn installed before you do this. And as soon as you've done that, all you need to do is click import to Shopify and you're going to see the importing button loading. Now, this will take around about 3 to 4 minutes because it's got to transfer all of this information over to Shopify and you're going to see it. Now, just like that, guys, I'm on Shopify and I've gone over to products and you can now see the product's been imported to my Shopify store. Now, as soon as I click on this product, you're going to see all the information has been added. And then if you go to where it says theme template on the right hand side, you click the eye icon. You can now see the page has been successfully imported into Shopify and it looks amazing. This is a fully customized Shopify page template that's been made with the AI. You can read the text. It's all about your product, the images, everything has been made specially for your product. Now, the AI page builder has done 90% of the hard work for us. All we've got to now do is change the colors to match our color logo. Let's be honest, guys, the AI page builder has done 90% of the hard work for us. The images, the text, the page sections, all of the hard work. All we've got to do now is change the colors, maybe change a little things around to make it suit what we're selling, and we're ready to go. And I'm going to show you how I would do that right now. And I'm literally going to spend an extra 5 minutes changing a few things. And I want you to comment in the comment section below how long this would usually take you to build, or would you even build something this good yourself? So guys, before we move on to the next part of building the AI landing page on Shopify, check this out. Did you know just by adding this simple bundle and offer section to your main product section on your store can generate this type of income? Just that one bundle has generated an additional $122,000 for one of the stores we're running in the last 12 months. And the best part is, guys, it's never been easier to set up something like this on your store than now by using the app that I'm about to show you. Now, before I do that, this is usually how people's main product section looks. They don't have any bundles or offers, and then they wonder why they don't make any money with profits because they don't have this setup. Now, the good news for you guys is the app that you need to do this and to make it super easy is called Rappi Bundles, BOGO Free Gifts. Now, the good news, guys, is it's built for Shopify. And this is one of the most important parts. It's built and designed to work flawlessly within your Shopify store. Now, the other great part is they do have a free to install and a free trial for you guys to use so you can check it out and see the difference on your own store. Now, make sure you use my link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up to Rappi because you're going to get the best offer possible after you've finished the free trial. And this is the thing that I love the most. It is so easy to use and the UI really explains how to work. With some of these apps, it can be confusing and that's why I don't like them. Now, you can see here volume discount and you can see the different ones. You can build it from scratch. You can do a bundle plus color swatch. You can do a bundle plus free gift. Now, this is usually the one that I use on my stores, which is a bundle and a free gift. Now, you can also, before you choose, change the color. So let's say I want my store to be like an orange color. You can change it. Now, as soon as you know what you want, just click choose. And then you're going to see here the block, the offer, the design, and the advanced settings. So if we go back to block, you can change the name of the bundle. You can choose which products or is it specifically selected on certain products. And then you can also see the live preview here on the right hand side. Now, just to save a little bit of time, guys, I'm going to show you one that we've just built ourselves. And you can see here, this is for the heated gilet vest. And you can see here, we've done it as buy more, save more. The alignment is center. We've had it as immediately, and we've got the template as prestige. Then we've got the color swatches all sorted, and it's also published. All I've got to do is click this little preview button, and I can see what it looks like on my store. And as you guys can see, it is incredibly easy to start using this in your own Shopify store so you can get results just like this. And I really can't explain enough to you guys, if you want to make life-changing money with dropshipping, you need stuff like this set up because it will drastically achieve extra results, as you can see on the screen. And again, make sure you use my link in the description and in the pinned comment to get the best deal after the free trial ends. Now, before I start editing and adding my final touches to this Shopify page, I'm going to go back to the EKAI and I'm going to go back to my page preview and I'm going to click actions and I'm going to click download content. Now, as soon as I download the content button, now what that's done for me is it's downloaded all the images and logo off my AI page that was in the preview. So now I can upload the logo to the Shopify page very easily. Now, just by clicking the download content button, I've now got in a folder all of the content that was from this page if I want to manually use it myself. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do, which is going to help me make the page even better, is go to Actions, click Create AI Workflow, and click Create Project. Now, this feature is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, what this does is it turns the page into a project where we can now conversate with the chat, and it's going to help us build on top of the actual Shopify store. Now, this does take around about 3 to 4 minutes, but when you see the results from using this feature, it's honestly insane. So after around about 3 minutes, guys, we've now launched into our AI workflow, and you can see the name of it here in the top. And if I go to foundational documents, you can see the AI has took everything from the page builder and added it as my research, my avatar, my offer, and my beliefs. So now by having the AI understand everything about my Shopify store, when I come back to the chat feature and say, what am I selling? You can see here, you're selling a red light professional LED therapy mask, and it goes over everything my product does. Now, this is where things get insane because we can now use the chat function that knows everything about our Shopify store, and we can start moving forward when it comes to making it better. Now, check this out, guys. I asked the AI what brand color should I use for my Shopify store to complement the product. And you can see it based on the documentation you've been provided. I understand the brand and the target audience. And you can see here it's listed out who they are. And then it's given me a recommended color pattern based on color psychology for it to work the best. So it's given me the accent color, the primary color, and it's also given me the reasoning on why we should use these colors for our Shopify store. So now let's go back to the Shopify store editor and finish it off. Now we've got our chat system ready to start working when we need it. So I'm going to go to settings, logo, select, and now I'm going to click add files. And you can see here, this is the document that I downloaded from the page builder. So now I can select the logo that it made for me. And guys, that's crazy. The logo has been made for me, and the logo it's made is actually really, really good. So now I've added the logo. I'm going to click the little pencil icon. Now the reason why I want to click the pencil icon is because I want to crop and transform it. Because for the logo to look the best on Shopify, it's got to be a certain size. So we're going to go to freeform, and we're just going to crop this logo so that it's the smallest possible, and then I'm going to click resize. So now you guys can see on the mobile version, the logo looks amazing in the mobile format because of the sizing. And on the desktop version, it also looks amazing. Now, we only really care about the mobile version, guys. So that's what we're going to optimize for. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do is go to where it says colors and click where it says add schema. And now what we're going to do is we're going to change the color schema for our branding. So I got it from the AI, and that's the color from the AI. So I've just added my brand colors that was recommended from the AI. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is go to the AI announcement bar, and it already adds 2 announcement bars, free worldwide shipping and money back guarantee. Now what I can do is I can change the color here. So guys, I just changed the announcement bar to use the color schema that I just generated for the brand color. And now you can see that it merges perfectly with my actual branding. Now that's pretty much the product information section done. The AI's done most of the hard work. You can see here, transform your skin with professional grade results. simulate natural collagen production for firmer, more youthful skin. So you can see it's pretty much filled out everything perfectly, even a customer testimonial here. So we really don't need to change anything. The only thing that I'm going to change is the product name, and we can do that at the end later because that's in the product page section. But that's literally the only thing I'm going to be changing here. So now I'm going to scroll all the way down to the video with percentage category, and I'm going to change the primary color to use our brandings, to use our brand color, and you can see straight away how much that's helped. Now I'm actually going to get rid of all the footer text because I don't believe we need it, so I'm going to delete it. And that just makes this section look a little bit more cleaner. And now you're going to see the button background color. We're also going to change that. And we're also going to change the button border color as well. So now you can see it merges beautifully within our branding. So I've gone back to the AI and said, make me product feature / benefits for my landing page, because we're actually going to use some of the ones the AI chat gives me. So let's have a look. So you can see here it's created some really good stuff. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the headline here, go back to Shopify, and I'm actually going to change the main heading to that. Transform your skin with the LED red light therapy face mask. Then I'm actually going to come to the side here where you can see the percentages, and we're going to start changing these based on the AI. Now I don't have to if I don't want to, I just think that they could be better. So I've come back here. Now I've got all this text from the AI, so I'm going to change customer satisfaction to convenient at-home treatment. Then the next one, I'm going to go back to the AI. Professional grade results at home is another really good one, so let's go back and add that. And then the last one is fast relief, see improvements in just minutes. So that one's fine for me, so I'm going to leave it. But now that section already looks a lot better, and I made barely any changes. Now I'm going to change the call to action from claim your mask now to get yours. So I've changed it to get yours now, and I'm going to click save. So that's that section, guys, done, and it looks really good. Now I'm going to change this by deleting the bottom 2 rows because I feel like I don't need them. So that's it. Now, guys, you can see there's only 3 comparisons, which I think is more than enough. Then I'm going to change the colors here to my brand color. Then I'm going to go back to the AI chat, and I'm going to say, make me some brand name ideas. Then I've asked the AI to make me some brand name ideas because I don't have a brand name just yet. And you can see here we've got Skin Lumi, Aura Glow, Red Light Renew. So you can see these brand names are pretty good. I'm going to go with the Lumi Glow. I quite like that brand name. And now I can change our product name to that. You can see Lumi Glow, then the competitors. And now, guys, I'm going to go back to where it says claim your mask here. And I'm going to change it to get yours now. So all the call to action buttons need to match. Then I'm going to change the heading to what makes us better. Now, if we look at this on the mobile version, guys, it's starting to look absolutely amazing, as you guys can see. So now we can scroll down to the image with text section, and we can make the width height medium. That way the image is fully showing. So you can now see the image is fully showing. And then we can click save. Now I've asked it to make me a short description on what makes the product good with a heading, because I want to change this section. Now it's already added it in for me, and to be honest with you, the text is fine. It's just the heading. So now we're going to change the heading to this. And now I'm going to change the button to say get yours now. And I can change the color schema to my brand color schema. So I've just changed the color schema to use mine as the container. That way it adds a little bit of this nice color that we've got going on, so it breaks up the white. Because you got to remember, guys, there's a lot of white on this page. So just by doing that, you now nicely break up that white background. And if we look at it on the desktop version as well, guys, it just makes the page look a lot more cleaner. Now, if I scroll all the way down, you've got this section here, which is called What Makes Us Different. Now, technically, you don't need to do anything here if you don't want to. But what I like to do is add some custom icons where it does say each one. Now, to get those custom icons made, you can either go to the AI image generator on the Ecom King AI. So you can come here and you can create the images by using this tool. It's absolutely insane, the images you can make here, guys. And if you need more images making for your store, you can use this feature. Now, as I'm showing you this feature anyway, I might as well show you how to use it in other ways. So you can use it to make you those icons for that section of the store, which is here where it says premium quality, fast shipping, money back guarantee. Or you can use any other AI image generator. Just make sure that it makes the icons in the same color as the rest of your store, or it's just gonna look weird. Or if you wanna make more images for your site because you wanna add more dynamics, let's say, for example, I wanna make an image like this, I can click Save Image. I can go back to the Ecom King AI image generator. I can upload the reference image, which is this one here. So I've uploaded my product image, I've uploaded the reference image, I've typed in the name of my product, red light therapy mask, and I'm going to click next. Then I'm going to do it as an advertisement. I'm going to do it square, and then I'm going to click next. And then you're going to see this enhanced product description. I'm going to click enhance ads, and then the AI is going to enhance basically the prompt that the AI image generator is going to receive. Now you've got some other features here like color lock system lock system, and typography lock system. That just depends on if you're using a reference image and you want it to look exactly the same, then you're going to want to use these options. Product fidelity is really important because that means that it's going to reference my product reference image 100% so it doesn't recreate the product. Now the style reference, I'm going to leave it as moderate, and then I'm going to click next. Then it's going to show you everything that you've enabled, and I'm going to click generate AI image. So this is just another way if you want to make additional content for the store, you can do it just like this. I'll show you the results in the next few moments. So now I've got my icon images back. I can click here and I can go to where it says feature, and I can go to where it says add icon, and I can go to add files, and I can add the icons here. And you can see that's my first icon added, and you can see it matches the rest of my brand colors. And you can see it looks a lot better than the stock icon. Now, if we go to feature 2, I'm going to do the same. And just like that, guys, we've got our 3 icons that now match the rest of our store. And it is starting to look really, really good. Now, just to finish off the page, we need to make some minor adjustments to the before and after. So what I like to do here, guys, is I actually like to remove all the images out of here because sometimes the AI adds the wrong image. I actually like to get rid of all the text as well. This is just my personal opinion. I don't like any of the text showing, so I'm going to delete all of these. It's up to you guys if you want to. I just personally do. Now, just like that, guys, the Ecom King AI image generator has made me a nice new image that I can now use on my store as well. And you can actually view it in Facebook ad mode, Instagram feed mode, Instagram story, TikTok mode, but obviously Facebook and Instagram are the 2 most important for images. So now I've got this extra image. I'm going to download it because now I can add this to other sections of my store and add more unique images. So guys, now I've gone out there and got all the images I needed additionally to the ones the AI made me. Let's get back to the before and after section. Now, what I like to do with these before and after photos, guys, is I like to make sure it's the same person and the results aren't overly dramatic, but they're enough for people to tell. So I've added in the before photo, and you can see it's this lady here, and you can clearly see she's got aging skin. And now I'm going to add the next image in where it's the same woman, but her skin is a lot better. Can you see the difference here, guys? These are the type of images that work really well because it's not overly dramatic, but it's enough to catch people off guard. And you can see now I've changed the title to our client's results in 4 weeks. Now, if I change this to the mobile version, you can see now this fits really, really well. Now, the next thing that I can adjust is the FAQ section, but usually those are done fine. And then you've got the customer reviews, which you can manually change, by the way, but they have already been done, so I really don't need to change them. So all I need to do now is change the product name, guys. And I went back to the AI chat to help me do this. So now I've got that name. I can go back here to the product section and I can change this now to 10-minute glow mask. So I've changed it to Lumi 10-minute glow mask, and I can click save. And then I can also change the product pricing if I need to. So let's say I'm selling this for 79 and it used to be 100. Now I can click save on this, guys. I can also add in the additional images that I've got, so I can delete this image. I can also delete the images I don't want from the main product section. I can reorganize them in the way that I want. So I think this is really good. So now I can click save. But it's just little small touches. And now when I reload the page, it's going to look dramatically better. And just like that, guys, now let's have a look at the page. So let's scroll. The page looks a lot better, guys. And this is starting to look really, really good. And if I change this to the desktop version, guys, it also looks really, really good. So guys, you just saw it yourself. I built this whole page using AI and I barely did any of the manual work. And the results that I got from this was absolutely insane. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. Let me know what the kind of pages that you make and let me know if it's helped you guys as well. With that being said, don't forget to hit 500 likes on this video so you can get that full automation course in the description. With that being said, guys, I'll see you on the next video.